Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the OneOdio Studio Max 1, a pair of wireless DJ headphones designed for producers, performers and anyone who loves a big sound on a budget. Priced at around $170, these cans promise ultra low latency, a massive 120-hour battery life and a unique transmitter for extended range. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's talk features. The Studio Max 1 sports a bold, DJ-inspired design, with rotating ear cups that swivel 90 degrees for folding and 180 degrees for single ear monitoring. Perfect for live sets. They're built with a lightweight plastic frame, but don't let that fool you. They feel sturdy and come with memory protein ear pads made in Germany for all-day comfort. The headband is adjustable and padded, so no headaches during long sessions. In the box you get a lot for your money. A carry bag, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, a 3.5 to 635mm cable, a 635mm adapter and the star of the show, the M1 wireless transmitter. This little device plugs into your audio deck or instrument, delivering a 20 millisecond latency connection. That's 20 times faster than standard Bluetooth. It's a game changer for performers who need real-time audio sync without cables holding them back. Pairing is straightforward, though the Bluetooth setup can be a bit finicky at first. You need to follow the manual to get it right. But once connected, you can switch between Bluetooth, wired or M1 modes easily. Oh, and that 120-hour battery life is no joke. I've been using these all week and I've barely even dented the charge. Now let's get to the good stuff, the sound quality. The Studio Max 1 uses 50mm drivers with Japanese voice coils, tuned for punchy bass and clear mids and highs. These are designed for DJs, so expect a sound signature that's bold and energetic, not flat or neutral like studio monitors. To test them I listened to two tracks, Billie Eilish's Bad Guy and Daft Punk's Around the World. Starting with Bad Guy, the bass hits hard. Those deep, rumbling sub-bass notes in the intro had my head nodding. The Studio Max 1 doesn't overdo it though. The bass is tight and not boomy. Billie's vocals cut through clear without getting drowned out. The mids are forward enough to highlight her whispery delivery, but I noticed the treble lacks a bit of sparkle. The hi-hats and snares could use more crispness to really pop. Next, Around the World by Daft Punk. This track is all about repetitive grooves and layered electronics, and the Studio Max 1 nailed the driving beat. The kick drum and bass line felt well separated, making it easy to pick out each element in the mix. The soundstage isn't super wide, so it's not like you're in a concert hall, but for DJ headphones it's immersive enough. Again, the treble felt a tad muted. Those thin flourishes didn't shimmer as much as I would like. Overall, these are fun, bass-forward headphones that shine with electronic, hip-hop and pop music, but may not satisfy audiophiles craving pinpoint accuracy. Alright, let's dive into what holds the Studio Max 1 back and what makes it shine. Starting with the downsides, the sound quality, while fun, is not perfect for every scenario. The bass is punchy and great for DJ sets, but the treble feels a bit muted and the overall resolution is not sharp enough for critical studio mixing. If you're tweaking tracks in a quiet studio, you might crave more clarity. Another miss is the lack of active noise cancellation. The earpads offer decent passive isolation, but in noisy environments like clubs you'll hear some bleed through, which could be a bummer. On the flip side, these headphones have a lot going for them. The battery life is absolutely insane. 120 hours means you could DJ a festival, take a road trip and still don't need a charger. That's a huge win for creators on the go. The M1 transmitter is another standout, delivering ultra-low 20 millisecond latency that gives you cable-free freedom without any noticeable lag, which is a lifesaver for live performances. I also love the versatility here. You can switch between Bluetooth, wired or M1 modes, and the included cables and adapters make these compatible with pretty much any setup. Comfort is a big plus too. The lightweight frame, plus German-made earpads and padded headband make long sessions a breeze. No headaches or ear fatigue. And at $170, the Studio Max 1 offers incredible value. You're getting a ton of features for a reasonable price. These headphones are clearly aimed at DJs and creators who want performance and flexibility over audiophile-grade sound. If you're spinning tracks live or producing on a budget, they are a steal. But if you are a studio perfectionist, you might want to explore other options. So what's the verdict on the OneOdio Studio Max 1? These are a fantastic pick for budding DJs, performers and anyone who's looking for feature-packed headphones without spending a fortune. The M1 transmitter and ridiculous battery life make them a standout for live use, and the comfort is top-notch for long sessions. Sure, the sound isn't perfect. Treble junkies and studio purists might look elsewhere, but for $170 you're getting a versatile, durable pair of cans that punch well above their weight. If you're ready to level up your DJ setup or just want headphones that can keep up with your creative hustle, check out the Studio Max 1 on OneAudio's website. I'll drop a link in the description. Have you tried these headphones or are you eyeing another pair? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio gear reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.
Yep.